So dinner tonight is my maple ham steak and some pineapples on my medium stone pan. So I'm heating up the oven. Going to cut the edges off of the pineapple. So I opened my ham steak and I have some pineapple on the pan. Just going to put this out, score it a little bit. I'll put a piece of pineapple on top of it. So all the juices go inside of it, and it's going to go in the oven for a half hour. So it's done. Turning off the stove. I love the guards on the ends of the racks because then I don't burn myself. And you can see it's all crusty on this outside. And it's pineapple has gotten into the ham. This is what it looks like. You can see how crusty it is. Reminds me of my grandfather's.